Hi, you're about to start your lesson 5 assignment. We have 2 assignments in this. First, I want to talk about the finger spelling. You're going to be finger spelling the sentence again, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Once again, we have all the letters of the alphabet in this sentence, and that's why we picked it. We're looking for you to hesitate briefly on the last letter of the word before you go into the next word. We don't want to see the hand drop or the hand drop totally. We also want to make sure that we keep our palm out on all letters except G and H. Even P and Q, the palm is technically out. Letters like O should not twist. It should be O. C, those things should be out. D, those things should not twist. So keep your palm out. And then make sure you actually looked at the feedback from the first time around so that if those letters were brought to your attention, if there was anything you were doing incorrectly, that you're improving on those things. Okay. The other assignment is 10 sentences again, and we're getting into lengthier sentences here. Mostly we're using topic comment format and some WH questions and negation. So remember, on negatives, we have to shake our head. When we're saying something affirmative, we nod. Remember, on a WH question, our eyebrows have to go down and our head needs to tilt in a little bit. And then remember, we use topic comment for 2 things. First, we use it to emphasize the subject. So if you're looking at a sentence and it reads in English order, but there's a topic marker, we're trying to emphasize that subject. Otherwise, it's used to talk about the topic first. So I could say, hey, I like coffee. Or I could say, coffee I like. But if I'm using the I like coffee, it's to emphasize it. If it's reading in that English word order, but we have that topic marker above it, we're trying to emphasize that subject. Okay, these sentences are getting a little bit longer, so pacing is going to be important. If you see commas in a sentence, you should be hesitating briefly before you go on, just like we would hesitate in speech when we see a comma. Make sure your hand shapes are clear. We don't want any mumbling going on because your hand shapes are weak. Again, one of the best things to do is to take these sentences up to a mirror in the bathroom or in your room and sign the sentences through smoothly. And if you don't see yourself signing them smoothly, using your face for the grammar markers and to give tone of voice to show you're interested in what you're saying, well, then you're not ready to tape. If you're having to look at pictures in the book while you're signing, you're not ready to record. So that is the best way to make sure you're ready to go. Don't forget to be practicing finger spelling and making sure you're understanding some of that through the practice websites that we've given you. So again, topic comment, eyebrows are up on the topic. WH questions, eyebrows are down and the head tilts in. Negatives, we need to shake our head. Those are the key things to remember in this one. Remember our sign for number, and then your numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And follow that format as you go through. Good luck. Thank you.